So in the sums, 10th year you will be getting 13,565. Then 8th year 12,325. So how will you calculate the simple interest for 1 year? So 2 year difference irukanaal 2 year minus panna you will be getting 1,240. Other 2 all divide panna you will be getting per year simple interest, that is 620. Okay, so simple interest is for 8 years, 8 into 620, 4,960. So, if actual amount simple interest amount reduce panna, you will be getting the principal amount 7,365. So ஒரு வருஷத்துக்கு அவங்களுக்கு 620 வருது. So அதே 8 இயர்ஸ்க்கு பார்த்தோம்னா 4,960 rupees வரும். So அப்ப actual amountல இருந்து simple interest minus பண்ணாங்கன்னா actual amount, that is principal amount, you will be getting 7,365. So now you will be getting that answer for first year, that is principal amount is 7,365. Simple interest is per year to 620. Number of years for 1 year. So 1 year to interest 620. Our customer amount is 7,365. The same procedure will be followed for the 10th year. Okay. So 10th year ko adhe dhaan. So pathina ungalku vandu 10 into 620, then amount la minus panna you will be getting here that they didn't mention about all these things. Okay, you can make it over it. So edavadhu oru year ku vechu kuda nama kandupidichikalam. Okay, then now we are going to find the rate of interest. So simple interest divided by principal into n into 100. I always said when you are doing for rate, when you are going to find a rate of interest, you have to multiply with 100. Okay, so simple interest you all know 620. Principal amount is 7,365. Then interest rate is 1 year, we are having that for 1 year. So into 1. So actual rate of interest is 8.42%. So please don't forget to do this 100 poda marandradinga. When you are doing for rate of interest, simple interest divided by principal into n. So already we all know n is 1 year, simple interest is 620, principal amount we have find it minus interest amount minus panna actual amount namakku therinjirum. So our initial pay panna amount vandu 7,365. Do you have any doubts, girls? Doubt irukka? Or shall we move to the next problem?
No, ma'am.
Doubt illada? Polama next samukka? Okay. So in the illustration 11. So இது வந்து ஒரு equations form பண்ணி அது நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கிற மாதிரி வரும். A man wants to deposit a sum of rupees 4,55,000 in the name of his 2 sons. So one son ages 12, another son ages 15. In such a manner that the 2 sons get the same amount when they attain 18 years. So 12 years boy ko 15 years boy ko சேர்த்து 4,55,000 அவர் deposit பண்ண போறாரு. அவங்களுடைய மெச்சூரிட்டி டேட் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா when they attain 18 years. ஸோ அவங்க 18 இருக்கும்போது அவங்களுக்கு வந்து எவ்வளோ வரும், பட் சேம் அமௌண்ட் வரும் அப்படின்றத சொல்றாங்க. ஸோ அசியூம் த ரேட் ஆஃப் சிம்பிள் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் 11% per annum. ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் ஹவு மச் ஷுட் பி டெபாசிட்டட் இன் த நேம் இன் த பிகினிங்ல எவ்வளோ அவங்க டெபாசிட் பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க அப்படின்றதான் கேட்குறாங்க. ஸோ இப்போ நம்ம ஒரு எல்டர் சன்னை எக்ஸா வச்சுக்கிறோம். லெட் த சம் டெபாசிட்டட் இன் த நேம் ஆஃப் தி எல்டர் சன் இஸ் எக்ஸ். So, but we know the total amount. So, we are doing younger son is equal to 4,55,000 minus x. X is elder son. So, now we are going to find it for younger son. So, younger son's age is 12 years. So, how many years to complete for 18? So, 18 varuna avarkuna ethana varsham irukudhu? How many years? Yes, Aarti, raise your hands. Come on, tell me. For younger son, 12. elder son 15. That means how many years to complete for 18? So for elder 3 years, for younger 6 years to go. Okay, am I right or wrong? So elder son 3 years irukku, younger son 6 years irukku to attain 18 years. So now we don't know about the principal amount, how much he has deposited, father has deposited to elder and younger. So principal is X. Now we are going to take it for younger son. So n is 3 years, we all know. Elder வந்து நம்ம x ன்னு வச்சிருக்கனால 3 years. So I is 11 divided by 100. Already they have given 11%. So 0.11. Ni is 3 into I. That is period into rate of interest. So 3 into 0. So we know 0.33. Now we are going to make it as an equation, that is 18 years of age, P into 1 plus Ni, that is principal into 1 plus Ni. So we don't know the principal amount, so we are putting X 1 plus N into I, you all know 0.33. So 1 plus 0.33. So this is the first equation, that is 1.33x. Just we are adding this and multiplying with X. 1 plus 0.33 is 1.33 into X, 1.33x. So for next younger son, same thing. So younger son P we don't know, but we have framed on one equation, 4,55,000 minus X. So that is P. Okay, N is 6 years, I is 11. So as usual, N into I, 6 into 0.11, 0.66. Same format, P into 1 plus Ni. So P we all know, 4,55,000 minus X into 1 plus 0.66. So now we adding 1.66. Then we are multiplying with all these things. So the rende multiply pannabodu. So when we multiply 4,55,000 into 1.66, you will be getting 7,55,300 minus X, that is into 1.66 is 1.66x. So this is your second equation. So elder son, we framed on one equation. For younger son, we also framed the equation. Now we are going to solve the problem. So just we are doing it, that is here 1.33x is equal to 7. We have found it. So this one. So just put it in this and make it all the x together. So when we are taking this here, converted into plus 1.33x. When we are moving to this side, this minus is converted to plus. So 1.33x plus 1.66x is equal to 7,55,300. So when we adding both the x, 2.99x is equal to 755,300. So x which is so 7.37, sorry 2.99. இங்க மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் இருக்கனால கீழ வரும்போது அது டிவிஷனா மாறிடும். சோ பண்ணும்போது x உடைய வேல்யூ 2,52,609 rupees we got it. So x யாரா வச்சிருக்கோம், elder son தான் நம்ம x ஆ வச்சிருக்கோம். So elder son உடைய deposit amount we all know 2,52,609. So total amountல இருந்து elder son உடைய deposits amount நம்ம reduce பண்ணோம்னா, that is deduct பண்ணோம்னா younger son உடைய rate we got it. You all understand girls? So elder son x ஆ வச்சிருக்கோம், x உடைய வேல்யூ நமக்கு கிடைச்சிருச்சு. So 2,52,609 தான் அவங்க father deposit பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Then அதுல இருந்து total amount வந்து minus பண்ணா younger son உடைய deposit amount கிடைச்சிருச்சு 2,02,391. Do you have any doubts? Doubt irukama? So இப்போ வந்து நம்ம actually என்னன்னா இதுல வந்து நம்ம elder son younger son க்கு அவங்க father எவ்வளவு deposit பண்ணாங்க, because total amount அவர் கையில இருக்குது. But age வச்சு நம்ம we are having that one clue is age plus interest rate. So இத வச்சு எப்படி நம்ம பண்ணணும் அப்படின்றதுக்காக இந்த problem. Okay, shall we move on to the next one? 16. So if rupees 450 amount to rupees 504 in 3 years at a simple interest, what will be the 650 in 2 years, 6 months? So ipa enna rate appdi kekranga. So principal amount is 450, amount is 504, n is 3, rate we don't know. So just we are putting it question mark. So simple interest A minus B. So amount land principal amount minus panna, simple interest is 54. So R uடைய formula SI divided by principal into N into 100. So simple interest we have found it 54. So we are taking it. So principal amount we all know 450. So principal amount 450. So we are putting N also we know 3 years. So into 3 into 100. So because we have to find the rate of interest, no, only for rate of interest only you have to multiply with 100. Okay. So 100 you will be getting 4% per annum. So now we have doing for 650. So 650 rupees 2 years 6 months are the principal amount is 650. N is 2.5, that is 2 years 6 months means 2.5. Rate we have found it 4%. I we all know 0.04 convert panikrom. So simple interest P into N into I, principal into N into I, 65 rupees. So now we add the principal and the simple interest, 715 is the amount. So இத வந்து நம்ம rate கண்டுபிடிச்சோம் இது எல்லா இன்ஃபர்மேஷன்ஸையும் வச்சு இங்க principal amount மட்டும் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க they asked to find the amount. Okay, so how to find that amount? So எல்லாத்தையும் multiply பண்ணிட்டா so அந்த add பண்ணிட்டோம்னா அந்த amount will be getting this amount. The same thing for this 17 sum also. Same 3 1 by 3 2 1 by 7 years க்கு எவ்வளவு அப்படிங்கறத கண்டுபிடிக்கறாங்க. Okay, so for the first amount is 2250, N is 3.33, R is 21 by 7 is converted into 1.47. Okay, so பண்ணிட்டு இத வந்து கன்வர்ட் பண்றாங்க 0.0214 convert ஆயிடுது. This R percentage divided by 100 போட்டோம்னா you will be getting 0.0214. So now we are applying the formula A is equal to P into 1 plus Ni. A you all know 2250, P we don't know, then N we all know 3.33. Then you all know how to calculate improper fraction proper ஆக்குறதுக்கு. So அந்த இதெல்லாம் இது பண்ணிருக்காங்கடா. Okay, then 3.33 into 0.0214. So when we add all these things you will be getting this one P. Then அப்படியே மைனஸ் டிவைட் பண்ணிட்டோம்னா P is equal to நீங்க இப்படியே வெளியில வச்சிட்டு இந்தத கீழ கொண்டு வரணும் 1.071. சோ அத சும்மா ரீஅரேஞ்ச் பண்ணிருக்காங்க அவ்வளவுதான். 2250 divided by 1.0171. So principal is 2100. So actual amount is 2250. Principal amount is 2100. Do you have any doubts? So try to convert this one and this one. Okay. Shall we move on to the next discount? Next topic is discount. Before that, you'll be having a compound interest. This in some other page, I think so. I just scrolled under. Okay, here there is some compound interest. அதுக்கப்புறம் தான்டா இது வரும். Okay, compound interest formula same or whatever we have do it for this commercial arithmetic la வந்து simple interest எப்படி பண்ணுமோ அதே same procedures தான் compound interest க்கு வரும். கொஞ்சம் different formulas வரும் அவ்வளவுதான். So try to do write all the formulas in your back side of your notebook. Okay, so first formula A is equal to P into 1 plus R divided by 100 the whole of N. The N is end of nth year. Okay, so amount, principal, R, N. or you can rewrite it a is equal to p into 1 plus I the whole power of n. Okay, I is r divided by 100, you all know. Okay, so if they are used for log a is equal to log p plus n into log 1 plus I. If they ask to find the principal, log p, that is principal, is equal to log a. இங்க amount இருந்தா இங்க principal வரும், இங்க principal இருந்தா இங்க amount வரும். log a ஆனா minus, principal na minus, amount na plus. அதனால நோட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. n into log of 1 plus I. Okay, first problem. So they have given for the rate of interest, period, then everything, all the formulas they have given. Nearly 5, 6, 1, 2, 6, 7 formulas are there. So now directly moving to the problem, illustration 1. Girls, are you here? Ma, Eradikia?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'll finish with 1 or 2 sums. I asked to come in a video. So end of the class, all video on pani enakku varanum. So what is the principal value of rupees 1000 due in 2 years, 5% per annum compound interest according as the interest is paid? First yearly, half yearly. First we are going to find it what interest is paid in yearly. A is 1000, I is 5%, n is 2 years. So what is the principal? So principal, you all know the formula, log p is equal to log a minus n into log 1 plus I. So log p is equal to, we don't know, but log a, we know log 1000 minus 2 log 1.05. Just multiplying all these things, log 1000, you will be getting the answer 3. 2 into log 1.05, answer is 0.0212. Just multiplying with 2, 3 minus 0.0424. So answer inga enna pandranga, log 1000 for answer, then log 1.05 for answer. Okay, so கண்டுபிடி logல கண்டுபிடிக்கிறாங்க. As you all know, log of கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது. So கண்டுபிடிச்சு அதோடைய ஆன்சர் வந்து கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டாங்க 2.9576. How to find anti-log in calculator da? How to find anti-log in calculator? Girls, come fast. Yes, shift, then press first shift, then log, then your what is the given log. So here 2.9576 is an anti-log. So principal amount is 906.90. Then coming to the half yearly means 2 into n. இங்க ஒரு whole year க்கு n போட்டோம், இங்க half yearly க்கு 2 into n we have to put. So அதே தான் amount 1000, I வந்து 1/2, half na பாதி இல்ல. So 5 ல பாதினா 2, that is 5 with 2.5. Am I right? So 5 divided by 2. So அதை convert பண்ணி இங்க பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So I divided by 2. So 0.05 divided by 2, you will be getting 0.025. Okay. So this is the answer. So total 5% இருந்து எல்லாருமே halfன்றனால 2 போடுறோம். இது quarterly-ஆ இருந்துச்சுனா 4 போடுவோம். Okay. So இப்போ half yearly-னால 2 into n. So 2 into 2 is 4. So now the formula is A is equal to P into 1 plus 2 years, that is halfன்றனால 2 வரதுனால I divided by 2 already போட்டுருக்கோம். அதே மாதிரி whole bracket of 2 into n. So what is the log la பார்த்தோம்னா log p is equal to log a minus 2n log into 1 plus I divided by 2. Log a 1000, 2 into n is 4, that is 2 into 2, 4, இங்க எழுதி வச்சிருக்கோம். So 4 log 1 plus, you all know 1 I divided by 2 is 0.025. Okay, so 1 plus 0.025 is 4 log 1 plus 0.25. So log 1000 oda answer already we know 3. Then 4 into log 1.025 oda answer 0.0107. So நம்ம எல்லாத்தையுமே convert பண்ணி you will be getting 3 minus 0.0428. So now we get that antilog is 2.9572. So idukku antilog shift first, then log, then this number. Panna 906.10. So there is no difference year to half year. That is a point difference தான் வருது அப்படிங்கறத சொல்றாங்க. புரியுதாடா? இது காம்பவுண்ட் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் வந்து லாக் கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணி நம்ம பண்றோம். ஸோ இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா இங்க நெக்ஸ்ட் சம்ல 4 இயர்ஸ்க்கு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Then interest is payable in half yearly and first 3 years at the rate of 8%. Then fourth year the interest is payable quarterly. So inge quarterly 6% per annum கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So now we are writing it. P is 8,000. N is 3 years. I is 8%. Then I half yearly இருந்துச்சுன்னா I divided by 2. Then half yearly na N is 2 into N. So on the format la பண்ணிருக்காங்க. First A is equal to P into 1 plus I divided by 2 into 2N. Half yearly பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So log A is equal to log P. You all know the answer 8,000 plus 2 into N 6 log I divided by 2 is 0.04 plus 1 1.04. So log 8,000 answer is 3.9031 into 6 into 0.010. So now we got the answer of 4.0051. So idukku antilog kandupidichona, that is fourth year oda antilog kandupidichona 10120. So இது same procedure for fourth year ku kandupidichona, that is quarterly. Quarterly na fourth year, half yearly na 2, quarterly na fourth year it comes for 4. So 4 means principal I, then 1/4 is that answer. So 4 into N you have to put. A is equal to P into 1 plus I divided by 4 into 4N. So principal amount you all know 10, already we have found it, 10,120 plus 4 log into 1.014. So why we are putting this principal amount? Already we have find it. So that's why we have put it this. Okay. So when we are lastly we have find this antilog is 4.0307. So antilog pathina 1074. When we minus this fourth year in the principal, 2,740 is the compound interest. So in the antilog amount, actual amount oda principal amount 8,000 irukku, adha minus panna you will be getting the compound interest. Do you have any doubts in this? Log formula therinja mattum na panna mudiyum. Okay, so if you are not able to do this formula, you cannot do this. Okay, so next problem is fourth year. For fourth year, they asked to find it for quarterly. The same thing. Quarterly means 4N. Okay. So 4N. They have given principal is 500, A is 800, N is 10, I they didn't given. This is a question mark. Quarterly they have given. So 4 into N. Quarterly means 4 into N. So N is they have given 10. So I just finished with this problem. So A is equal to P into 1 plus I4 the whole power of 4N. So log 1 plus I divided by 4 divided by, sorry, is equal to log A minus log P divided by 4N. So in the format to convert money, we are doing all this thing. Log A they have given 800, log P they have given 500. Already we all know 4 into N, N is 10 years, so 4 into 10. Just giving all the informations, log 800 answer, log 500 answer, then we'll be getting this answer is 0.2041 divided by 40. You will be getting 0.005. So this is an anti-log amount. So now we are doing with this inge idu update kondu varum log into 1 plus I divided by 4. So on the format kondu varumbodhu you will be having all these things. Okay, just rate of interest is 4.82. So this is your homework problem, illustration 5. Illustration 5 is a homework problem, same procedures. 4 lakada appdiye dhaan varum. Then 6 is also homework problem. 5, 6 is your homework problem. 8, 5, 6, 8 problem is your homework problem. So with this I finished it.